Colin Ennis.
Kristen Waller.
My name is Rashad Abdullah.
Griffin Kearney.
Sarah Cowan.
I'm Cynthia Salazar.
STEM is...
STEM.
STEM is
science,
technology,
engineering,
Mathematics.
STEM is, I guess, science, technology, engineering, and math. But more than that, it's getting students to learn about technology and apply it in the real world.
Really what it means to me is pretty much my entire life. I would say I'm interested in math. I use math and engineering, and I use engineering to produce technology. So it's pretty much why I'm at SU and what I'm here to learn about.
The new things, the new challenges that we have to adapt to as human beings.
It's important to study STEM because there are a lot of issues in the world, and people need to study math, science, technology in order to fix these issues.
Technology is definitely going and making its way into every aspect of our lives.
So I took a history class a couple of years ago, and we talked about, after the Great Depression, how investment in technology kind of made America bounce back. So I think now, right after the depression or the economic recession that we're in, technology is now its most important as it's ever been.
Biochemistry is important to study because it has more to do with like the human body, and it helps a number of different fields. First, it helps pharmaceuticals, and it helps doctors because doctors have to study the different chemical processes that occur in the body, and with that they have to figure out, like, if a person comes in and they're sick, that's how they figure out what to do, how to help them. In pharmaceuticals, obviously they use it to create the medications that the doctors are going to use to prescribe.
Over the summer I actually interned at glamour.com, so that was really exciting.
So I've done 2 internships with General Electric during my time here. One of them was a summer internship, and the other was the Global Enterprise Technology Immersion Experience. So I got to get kind of a taste of the summer internship life that everybody kind of goes through, and then also go from the 8 to 5 job for a whole semester, which was a really cool experience.
Well, over the summer I worked in Boston in Massachusetts General Hospital in the neurosurgery lab, and I had a series of different projects that I had to work on, and it was a great learning experience, especially because it was a biochem field and biochem lab, and I'm a biochem major, so it was great.
So I've been involved with some pretty cool research. This past summer I did the Syracuse RU program, which is research experience for undergraduates. And I worked with computational fluid dynamics.
I think that my dream job would be an engineering job in the environmental field where I actually feel like I'm physically helping the environment.
I think my dream job would be a CIO of a company. Somebody who takes technology, applies it to the world, and makes everybody's lives easier.
My dream job, I'd like to be a reconstructive surgeon. Along with this lab that I worked in, across the street was actually Shriners Hospital for Children, which a lot of them are burn victims, and it was really sad to see them and how they kind of don't like the way that they look, and I want to be that person that kind of gives them a little bit more of a normal life back.
Well, when I came on campus I loved it, and especially in the high school you could get a small school within a big university.
I chose SU because it was ABET accredited. My dad is an engineer, and so he really wanted me to come to an ABET accredited school, and it was 4 hours away from home and had a great basketball team. I chose SU for a number of reasons. One, the science field was beginning to grow, and I saw the new facility that was built, and I compared the labs and everything that I'd seen in this facility to other schools that their science department may have been there, but the facilities were falling apart. They didn't feel right.
I chose Syracuse because I knew that I could not only get the benefits of a huge university with great alumni, D1 sports, and a great campus atmosphere, but also get the individual attention in small classrooms, meeting professors, talking with them after class, and really developing the relationships that have made my experience here great.
So, all you people out there, study STEM because STEM rules the world.
If you're a student that's interested in studying science, technology, engineering, or math, but you might also be interested in something else. SU is the place for you because we've got everything.